Hey everyone, I've got this Alloyman 20 volt cordless cleaning brush here for an unboxing and review. Well, here's everything that came in the box, and look at this, it comes with 2 batteries. So happy about that. Comes with the charger too, and that they just charge up right down in there. Real easy, nothing fancy there, just put that in there to charge it up. Comes with some different cleaning heads too. They even threw some gloves in for us. And then this is the assembly itself, and we'll put that together. But this is nice here too. I really like this. You can stick this on your wall, and that'll hold your device there. And then of course it comes with the instruction manual. But let's go ahead and put this thing together. All right, for assembly, this is going to be the back piece. The battery's going to connect there. And now these 2 pieces here are identical. So this is the 2 middle pieces, and you can see the 2 slots right there. Those are gonna line up. Sorry, see the 2 slots right there. Those are gonna line up here. So you just pop that on there and then thread this down over it. We'll do the same thing with both of these. And to make sure you got it lined up right, they have 2 arrows right there. So just line up your arrows and push it together. Thread it on there tight. Now that we have that one on there, we'll go ahead and put this one on there too. Then the next step is to get the end piece on. This is the piece with the Alloyman logo on it, and that's going to go right here on the end. And you'll notice these 2 slots right here, those 2 slots are going to correspond to these 2 slots right there. That's how you know you got it lined up right. So it's just going to slide right into those grooves. Okay, we got the head on this thing. Look at this. If you press the button, it's got an angle head on it too. Press the button and it angles down. Let it go and it won't go anywhere. Press it again, move it back into position. And you got 4 different cleaning heads with this thing. These things just go on right there. Just fits right over that. See, it just snaps on there. Okay, then for getting these things on and off there, you just pop them on and then you just firmly pull it off. There's no secret button or anything like that. You just got to give it a little bit of force. Okay, now we'll go ahead and slide the battery right into this thing, put this thing to work. Take a look at that. That's nice. Okay, for using this thing, just want to go ahead and see it's on stop right now. There it is on low. There it is on high. It stops right in the middle. There's stop. There it is on high. All right, here's what we're starting with. We got this dirty shower. Much needed cleaning. Go ahead and spray a little solvent on there too. Plenty of power on this thing. Here's a look at one of the other heads and how it operates. Here's a look at this one. Here's a look at that one. Here we go, just like new. That thing works great. So this thing, I would install it, but I don't need it because I already have one. So it's basically the same thing, just like that. You can put it with the rest of your tools. Just pops off of there. Pops right back on. That's exactly what this is too. All right, you guys, thank you for watching.